Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Exam Point Notes. Today we are going to cover part 5 of class 12th biology, chapter 6, molecular basis of inheritance, NEET PYQs. Let's start. First question number 1. Molecular basis of tissue or organ differentiation depends upon modulation of transcription by A. RNA polymerase, B. transcription factor, C. ribosome, D. anticodon. The correct option is option number B, which is transcription factor. Next question number 2. During transcription, holoenzyme RNA polymerase binds to DNA sequence and DNA assumes a saddle-like structure. At that point, the sequence is called A. AAAT box, B. TATA box, C. GGTT box, D. CAAT box. The correct option is option number B, which is TATA box. Next question number 3. During transcription, if the nucleotide sequence of DNA strand that is being coded is ATACG, then the nucleotide sequence in the mRNA would be A TCTGG, B UAUGC, C UATGC, D TATGC. The correct option is option number B, which is UAUGC. Next question number 4. After the mutation at a genetic locus, the character of an organism changes due to change in A. DNA replication, B. protein synthesis pattern, C. RNA transcription pattern, D. protein structure. The correct option is option number D, which is protein structure. Next question number 5. During transcription, the DNA site at which RNA polymerase bind is called A. promoter, B. regulator, C. receptor, D. enhancer. The correct option is option number A, which is promoter. Next question number 6. What would happen if in a gene encoding a polypeptide of 50 amino acid 25th codon UAU is mutated to UAA? A polypeptide of 24 amino acid will be formed. B. Two polypeptide of 24 and 25 amino acid will be formed. C. A polypeptide of 24 amino acid will be formed. D. A polypeptide of 25 amino acid will be formed. The correct option is option number A, which is a polypeptide of 24 amino acid will be formed. Next question number 7. Exon part of mRNAs have code for A. protein, B. lipid, C. carbohydrate, D. phospholipid. The correct option is option number A, which is protein. Next question number 8. Which of the following reunites the exon segment after RNA splicing? A. RNA polymerase, B. RNA primase, C. RNA ligase, D. RNA protease. The correct option is option number B, RNA ligase. Next question number 9. Types of RNA polymerase required in nucleus for RNA synthesis: A1, B2, C3, D4. The correct option is option number C, which is 3. Next question number 10. mRNA is synthesized on a DNA template in which direction? A 5 to 3, B 3 to 5, C both, D any. The correct option is option number A, which is 5 to 3. Next question number 11. At the time of organogenesis, genes regulate the process at different level at different time due to A. promoter, B. regulator, C. intron, D. exon. The correct option is option number D, which is exon. Next question number 12. Initiation codon in eukaryotes: A. UGA, B. CCA, D. AGA, D. AUG. The correct option is option number D, which is AUG. Next question number 13. Minor change in gene structure is called A. Reversible mutation, B. Point mutation, C. Forward mutation, D. Backward mutation. The correct option is option number B, which is point mutation. Next question. Question number 14. Which one of the following exercise a control over transcription? A. Operator, B. Regulator, C. Promoter, D. Ragon. The correct option is option number B, which is regulator. Next question. Question number 15. Segments of DNA which can move in genome. A. Transposons, B. Introns, C. Exons, D. Cistrons. The correct option is option number A, which is transposons. Next question. Question number 16. The maximum formation of mRNA occurs in A. Ribosome, B. Nucleoplasm, C. Cytoplasm, D. Nucleolus. The correct option is option number D, which is nucleolus. Next question. Sequence of bases of DNA is ATT, CG, ATG gen. The sequence of bases in its transcript will be A. GUA, G, CUUA, B. AUUG, AUG, C. CAUG, AAU, D. UAA, CG, UAC. The correct option is option number D, which is UAA, CG, GC, UAC. Next question. Question number 18. If the DNA codons are ATG, ATG, ATG and a cytosine base is inserted in the beginning, then which of the following will be the results? These are the options: CA, TGAT, GATG, B. A nonsense mutation, C. ATG, 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 D. CATGA, TGA, TG. The correct option is option number A, which is CATGATGATG. Next question. Question number 19. In split genes, the coding sequence are called A. Exons, B. Cistrons, D. Introns, C. Introns, D. Operons. The correct option is option number A, which is exons. Next question. This is the last question. Let's see this. 20. Anticodon is an unpaired triplet of bases in an exposed portion of A. tRNA, B. mRNA, C. rRNA, D. B and both B and C. So if you know the answer, do comment in the comment section first. So the correct option is option number A. Next, this video ends here. Thank you for watching the video till end. Subscribe our channel. More videos like this will be uploaded soon.